You ready to go?
This was his grandma's house, or this is his grandma's house, and this is his parents' house.
Yeah, you're healthy. Now we're doing hikes, so it's good, man. Here in Lamont, or DuPage County. It's me, Manila Hikes, with Sonny Wolfenhiem.
Yeah, Vanilla Thunder.
We must do it. Alright, stay tuned.
6 figures.
Yeah. So we're here at the information booth stall. We have the main parking lot. So we're gonna do Waterfall Glen. So it's approximately what? 13 miles all the way around? Or less?
9.
9 miles? 9 miles, yeah.
Oh yeah, 9.5.
Okay. Not much, but looks good.
Pretty good. Not crappy. It's not great.
These location poles showing you where to go, main trail. I think we're doing the main trail. So we're at the beginning of the trail. It looks crowded right now. Many people are here, but
Hopefully it dies down.
it dies down or people disperse once we get into more mileage.
Or they disappear.
Disappear. It's like compact gravel road. It's pretty wide, so you get incoming and outgoing traffic, but enough room to maneuver. Very nice. A little hilly, you know, if you get the heart rate up.
Just ever so slightly.
Slightly.
I think you can ride your bike.
Detour, or not detour, but detract from the main path and see what's up here. Because we got time. It's over here.
I think we just ended up in another part of the parking lot.
Right? Pretty cool. Alright, so that's the main trail again. So we got 1 mile, 1.3 miles in.
Yeah.
How does it feel so far? It's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Still
kind of love it.
Still kind of crowded, but
Not as crowded, but
yeah, things are starting to die down.
yeah.
We were off the trail for a bit and went to the woods, but I guess it led back here, right? And we bumped into one of our good friends. Here's Andrew and his bike.
I need one of those actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I love this thing, but check out his ride. All right, got me a find here. Plus, got a big fenced off area here. That might be Oregon National Laboratories or
Alcatraz.
guard post. Can't trespass on that side. But yeah, this trail, Waterfall Glen, it circumnavigates, or it surrounds Oregon National Laboratory. So here's a visual of it. So we are here. So all this area here is fenced off and off limits. A lot of flowers here. We got dandelions. We got some wild violets in there. Wild violas. Kind of pretty to have your trail outlined with flowers here. Very nice. So now we're in mile 3, and you can see that scenery kind of changed We have more hills now.
Less people.
Less people. Awesome. So Sonny had to do a little bit of first aid there.
I'm dying.
Band-aid on the
dying.
ankle. I see one all the way out there on top of a log. So this is about mile 4. 3.7. 3.7. So we get this large prairie area. Prairie area. It's like a Coke bottle. 2-liter Coke bottle. Yeah, so mile 4, I think that is the Argonne National Laboratory over there. Cool little forest over there on the trail. So that's the Des Plaines River there. I'm sure this time it's the Des Plaines River because we just saw the sign.
Yeah.
Downhill from here, huh?
On the road again. You gotta use your arm, you know, get that momentum.
The momentum is in the arms.
She wanted a rock, a big rock.
And you got it a rock.
And it's black like her soul. You know there's cars that can like they transform into the railing?
Did you? You get in between or on it?
Somewhat in between, somewhat on it.
The other band. So here is a structure, LPS 1921. According to that that description there, they transplanted land from Waterfall Glen to cover Lakeshore Drive and parts of Lincoln Park, right?
Yeah, well this is originally from Lakeshore Drive.
Oh, they transferred it here?
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to read up more about it.
Yeah. I thought that's what it said.
So they took land from Waterfall Glen to use it to extend Lakeshore Drive. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Gregory! Yeah! Gregory, stop pushing that stroller into the train tracks.
You want to take a break here?
Yeah. Some different color in the foliage here. Kind of reminds me of sakura petals. I guess around mile 7 there's a Visitors Information Center.
Yeah.
A field research station, huh?
Whatever that means.
So we're almost done. We're in mile 7.5 or 8.
Compared to that, yeah, I think we're like a mile and a half away now, maybe?
Cool.
Maybe?
Yeah. Very nice. Very nice, huh? Kind of like a lagoon or a lake over there. Mile 9 or something. Just taking our last break before moving on.
Finishing the last 0.5 miles. Enjoying a little bit more of nature now.
So we just came out of there. Now we're here. And I think our car is parked there. Okay.
9.7 miles?
I got 10 point something on mine.
Oh. I probably started mine a little late, that's why.
Right. So what did you think?
It's good, not bad.
Yeah, it was great for a day hike. Really well maintained hiking trails.
Yeah.
There was a lot of people. But
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah.
I think at the beginning and then the end, there's a lot of people because a lot of people just do like 2 miles and walk back.
Yeah.
But once you reach like the halfway point, not that many. A lot of bikers.
A lot of bikers. Great for big groups.
Yeah.
You see a lot of families here. Scenery, it's basically very
I think it's just like trees and
trees. It's the same thing all the time. You know, you have areas where you see the prairies.
Yeah.
That's about it.
A little bit of overlook, but not much. And then parking definitely have to come early.
Yeah, parking is crazy. So if you can see,
Definitely have to come
in the
a
afternoon,
little
it's
early.
just everything's filled up.
Yeah.
Right? So, good work, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.